Hello everybody. This is the first try which I am doing on my channel, and we have with us Pratik Bhojne, also known as Surfira, also known as Mr. Surfira from his new channel. We will be doing a basic reaction video, and also we'll be breaking down the editing part of it as well, because Pratik over here is also a very great editor. He has started doing
यार
doing
great नहीं यार great नहीं.
Please do watch his content. He is doing some amazing work on his channel. And also, so let's just proceed with the stream. We are just giving a reaction on Ben TK's India video. Ben TK. Okay. So here is the video. Let's just start the video.
There is a land on this earth with more colors than the spectrum can hold, where the people's soul
Like, it's
to
all the
earth.
brush
A
effects.
place with culture more diverse
He's
than the
just
strings from a
morphing
guitar,
all
where stories
the
of great
all
power
the images
live and
which he has
travel
taken.
so far.
So basically, these are all images, if I'm not wrong.
And those are all tracked, I guess.
Yeah. So I guess the footage which is coming right now, the leg footage, what he has done. So it was an image.
That was a freeze frame, I guess.
Yeah, it was a freeze frame. So let's just play.
Many faces in this land believe in great spiritual energy and healing. Some devote their entire lives to its grasp. It is said that if there was any kind of ancient magic to have ever existed, that this could be the origin of its birth.
It's
It's pure tracking, and it's like masking his eyeballs, and there is a layer over it, and he has just applied a glow effect on it.
Yeah,
That's it.
exactly. So it's a mandala pattern on it, on the eyes, and he has just tracked it. I guess that might be the PNG, and he has just added a glow effect on that. And now this is something. This is something magical. This is something magical which he has
Yeah.
done. So this is the same thing I added on my travel story. If you might have seen.
Okay.
So the text. So he has added the texture and everything. That's a different thing.
Okay.
And this is the normal text which you can add and track.
Yeah, this is element ready, and there is a texture properly like he has used.
Yeah. And now you see. I know. I remember this video. Like I've seen it so many times. It will just fade into another footage. See. Wow.
It's also tracking only.
Tracking here. This is tracking, pure tracking. But what he has done is he has masked that. If you can see here, he has just masked this portion of D, and he has just crossfaded. See, did you see that?
Yeah, right, yeah.
So he has just crossfaded that effect, and now we are in another footage. Wow. He masks a lot. He's the king of transitions.
Yeah. It's
He's the king of
lot
transitions.
of masking going on. Yeah.
Lots of masking going on. So yeah. See again.
While the elders prayed for good health
Now-
and greater days ahead,
But
two friends and I were preparing for the
See?
biggest celebrations in all of India, and perhaps in the world. A celebration
Wow.
The way he has composed it, like it's beautiful.
amazing work of After Effects. That is all I can say.
of life, of the children, their families.
He does. So if you might be noticing it, he does lots and lots of speed ramping.
The good and the greatness of the gods and legends stories that have shaped India. The celebrations of Holi.
Wow. He has just masked it. Do you realize that? उसने खाली हाथ को
He
mask
masked
किया है.
it, and a lot of layers came together and
Yeah.
merged.
Yeah, exactly,
Okay.
exactly. Let's see again. Did you see this? So these are the layers which he has masked. See?
Okay. Okay.
These are not shots. These are not shots.
Okay.
He has just added all the layers. If you can see, there are cuttings over here, and he has just added motion blur to it. See? Wow. Simple masking, but so effective.
Yes.
But here you can see, like there are like three layers which are working together. Like if you can
Yeah,
see.
That
if-
layer, the background layer, door layer, and
yeah.
auto. There is auto, right?
Exactly. So there are three layers which he has composed in such a way. He has added motion blur to every footage. If you can see,
But that is what brings reality to your footages or your effects.
let's just. Wow.
When the colourful chaos of the holy celebrations was over, Eric, Vunki and I found solitude in the peaceful town of Orcha, where we would then venture to some of the most famous locations in all of India. Agra.
Wow. Yeah, so this effect, I guess it's like combination of 3-4 layers, because I don't think so.
Yes,
that-
it's 3-4 layers.
Yeah,
First
but
of
I
all,
don't-
It's a picture. It's a
Agra,
picture.
home to the
no, it's not a picture, but if you can see, like there is no such place where you can see Taj Mahal like this. If it would have been, we would have
Okay.
known. I guess this is the footage from Orcha, and he has just masked that footage into this Taj Mahal
Okay,
footage,
okay.
and he has just made this
Cool.
unfolding effect, and this is something which is very, 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 very brilliant.
to the
Okay.
Taj Mahal and Varanasi, a colourful city full of
Saw that-
cultural
saw that
diversity.
detailing, saw that
and
detailing.
Varanasi, a colourful city
Yeah.
full of cultural diversity and a strong spiritual presence.
बहुत बढ़िया.
Yeah, I think I saw the same. I saw the same shot in your videos as well.
Yeah.
Well,
Normal speed ramping. See, just a side transition effect, and this is the use of music. Wow. Amazing. Wow. Just he's just playing with the music and going with the flow, right? And just adding the transitions in a
just
very
going with the music and beautiful cuts.
exactly. Wow. What? Wait a second.
Beautiful.
What just happened over here? So this was this train. He took the footage of the train from the station, which is going inside his window. He has changed the color as like giving the tint, I guess. I'm correct,
Yeah,
right?
right.
And now just coming back to here. See, listen to the sound which is coming like hi.
A lot of beautiful ambience, and that gives you authenticity of that location.
Exactly, and
I
that
just
is
loved it.
and that is very important when you are creating a travel video. Like I think that 40% it depends on your sound and what music you are obviously taking. See. So basically, I know this.
Nice,
I know this. I know this part. So what he has done, he has just taken the normal footages. He has just taken normal footages of the ambience and just going around and he has just added a ball to it. And now the ball is going from here. The thing which was already there, and this is masked. The background is masked into that.
It's obviously it's masking.
Obviously,
it's not
masking,
possible
yeah.
to.
Exactly. I'm just thinking how many hours he's spending to mask all these things.
A lot of see when I masked a character
Yeah.
just for an I guess 5 to 7 seconds maybe that shot was.
Yeah.
That I was masking 2 characters and it almost took me 1 day to mask both the characters.
Exactly. And now he is actually switching locations, masking balls, masking doors, and just dropping all the doors and creating a background to it. Arey Baba, what he's doing, he's just
Lot of
lots and lots of work and lots of hours went into this process. But yeah, it looks amazing at the end of the day, and that is what matters, right? Okay, chalo. And this is all the smoke effect which he has given. That's it.
Yeah.
And you are the king
And I have
of it.
lot of it.
And you are the king of it.
Lot
I
of
know.
collection of it.
बहुत बढ़िया. He just added the camera click effect, and that looks very wow. You saw that? The reflection.
In her eyes, right? His,
Yeah. See? Ah ha 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 ha
It's
ha.
boy or girl?
She-
Is she girl?
Yeah, she's a girl. You can see it from the eyes.
Even though we didn't see any real magic on our journey, we felt it in the people and each place we visited. Perhaps it is something that only the most enlightened can truly see.
Same thing, right? Same thing.
Yeah, I think it's trap code particles.
Okay. I have no idea about it. I have not used it yet.
I'm just guessing. I'm not sure about it. I'm just guessing.
Yeah, I'm also guessing this is the reaction video and not a detailed breakdown. So just end the video. The only thing. Let me just confess this on the video that the only thing which I miss when I'm traveling is this. Like I cannot do backflips, nor anyone with I'm
Not even-
traveling is doing backflip and all that crazy stuff. But it looks very dope.
You see, there is a cherry on a cake. So these are so small things which add points or whatever you can say adds to your content.
Yeah, exactly. ठीक है. I know about this. See this. Aha. Amazing.
I think it's really a good piece of art, or which I am not able to decode it right now. But definitely in future I'll try. I'll try.
But you
such things.
decoded it a lot. Like you told me about the layers and everything, and that is. You have been working in like 10, 12 layers into one video. So, so yeah. So
People should value such creators. They should not just follow any creator like who has views or who is just posting content continuously. People should value such content, and such people should take such content to some next level. They should share it. They should. I don't know. I'm just fucked up with this thing. I'm frustrated with this thing.
Yeah. Because people don't value such creators, and what this kind of work which Ben TK is doing.
It takes a lot of time. Almost a month or more than that.
As Pratik mentioned before, like the masking can take up to a day. Like just for a character, just for a 6 seconds video. Like so in my travel story video, that door effect which I am opening, it took me 2 days for like 3 doors to open. So it takes a lot of time. So Ben TK is an amazing creator. Follow us on Instagram. So as always guys, like, share and subscribe. And Pratik के style में करते हैं आज. मतलब मैं भी धन्यवाद ऐसे
धन्यवाद.
करता हूँ.
Should we do
But
धन्यवाद like this?
ऐसे. So we'll be coming up with more such content and reviewing more such videos. So we are signing off. Bye bye. Take care. Bye.
Bye bye.